Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. Which global attribute is used to specify whether the browser should check the element's text for spelling or grammar errors? The correct answer is option A, spell check. Which HTML5 element is used to provide a summary or label for the content of a details element? The correct answer is option B, summary. What does the noValidate attribute do when applied to a form element? The correct answer is option C. It specifies that the form data should not be validated when submitted. In the picture element, which attribute of the source tag is used to provide different image versions for different screen resolutions? The correct answer is option D, circset. What is the primary security purpose of using rel equals nupener on an A tag with target equals _ blank? The correct answer is option A. It prevents the new page from accessing the window.opener property of the original page. Which HTML5 element is specifically designed to represent a dialog box or other interactive component, such as an inspector or window? The correct answer is option B, dialog. In SVG, which attribute defines the position and dimension of the user space for the SVG viewport? The correct answer is option C, viewbox. What is the difference between async and defer attributes when loading external scripts? The correct answer is option D. Async scripts execute as soon as they are downloaded, while defer scripts execute only after the HTML document is fully parsed. Which HTML5 element is used to represent the result of a calculation performed by a script or the result of a user interaction? The correct answer is option A, output. When using the loading equals lazy attribute on an IMG or a frame, what is the browser's behavior? The correct answer is option B. It defers loading the element until it is near the user's viewport. The content editable attribute can be applied to almost any HTML element. What does it allow the user to do? The correct answer is option C, edit the text content of the element directly in the browser. Which of the following is the correct machine-readable format for the datetime attribute in a time element representing May 15, 2023, at 2:30 p.m.? The correct answer is option D, May 15, 2023, 14:30. In HTML microdata, which attribute is used to define a specific property of an item, e.g., the name of a person or a product? The correct answer is option A, itemprop. Which HTML5 element is used to represent a scalar measurement within a known range or a fractional value? The correct answer is option B, meter. What is the effect of setting tab index equals -1 on an HTML element? The correct answer is option C. The element can be focused programmatically, but is removed from the default tab navigation flow. What does the download attribute in an A tag indicate to the browser? The correct answer is option D. The browser should prompt the user to save the linked resource instead of navigating to it. Which element is used to provide a list of predefined options for an input element, creating an autocomplete feature? The correct answer is option A, datalist. Which attribute is used to specify whether the content of an element should be translated when the page is localized? The correct answer is option B, translate. Which attribute can be added to an OL, ordered list, to make the list items count down, e.g., 3, 2, 1, instead of up? The correct answer is option C, reversed. Which attribute is used with link, script, or IMG to manage cross-origin resource sharing, CORS, requests? The correct answer is option D, cross-origin. What is the primary characteristic of the template element in HTML5? The correct answer is option A. Its content is not rendered by the browser until it is instantiated using JavaScript. Which attribute specifies a shortcut key to activate or focus an element? The correct answer is option B, access key. What does the site attribute in a block quote element typically contain? The correct answer is option C, a URL that points to the source of the quoted information. If a canvas element's width and height are set via CSS styles, but not via HTML attributes, what happens to the drawing surface? The correct answer is option D. The default 300 by 150 drawing surface is stretched or squashed to fit the CSS dimensions. Which statement best describes the hidden attribute in HTML5? The correct answer is option A. It is a Boolean attribute that indicates the element is not yet or is no longer relevant. What is the purpose of the ping attribute on an A element? The correct answer is option B. It sends a short post request to a list of URLs when the link is clicked, typically for tracking. Which attribute is used to apply extra restrictions to the content in an iframe for security purposes? The correct answer is option C, sandbox. For an input type equals file, which attribute allows the browser to suggest the use of a device's camera for capturing media directly? The correct answer is option D, capture. Which attribute is used to indicate the text direction, e.g., left to right or right left, of an element's content? The correct answer is option A, DR. Which HTML element is used to group a set of related option elements within a select drop-down list? The correct answer is option B, opgroup. Thank you for watching.